Good day and welcome to today's episode of our lecture. Today we are going to look at virus. What is a virus? Viruses are very tiny germs. They are made up of genetic material. They are non-living outside a host cell and become a living inside a host cell. Generally, viruses can lead to various form of diseases, which can be either epidemic or pandemic in nature. And it is on that basis we have to adequately study viron and its mode of replication. This is just a picture of an RNA virus. Um, there are so many classification of viruses, but in this case, we succeeded in classifying viruses on the basis of their genetic materials. Um, Virus can be classified as either a DNA or an RNA virus. Uh, a DNA virus can also be sub-classified into an envelope or naked, depending on whether it has a capsid or not. The capsid virus is referred to as an envelope virus, whereas the non-capsid virus is referred to as the naked virus. Example of a DNA envelope virus are the smallpox. Example of an RNA uh, naked virus are the human papilloma virus. So also in the case of the RNA, we have the envelope and the naked. This can either be a positive sense, a negative sense, enveloped, or a positive sense and a negative sense naked. Example of a positive sense enveloped RNA virus are the coronavirus. An example of the negative sense enveloped RNA virus are the Ebola virus. Uh, Generally, viruses cause what they do is that they invade a living normal cell and use those cells to multiply and produce the other viruses like themselves. They are referred to as hijackers. And antibiotics doesn't work for virus. Example of viral infections are HIV, AIDS, poliomyelitis, HSV 1 and 2, that's herpes 1 and 2. We have the hepatitis, these are inflammation of the liver. And we have influenza, these are all various viral infections, including the common cold. These are examples of viral infection. Thank you for listening and watch out for our next lecture and viral infections.